Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 10 of me celebrating the International Women's Day with Born Pretty gel polish products. Thank you guys for watching my videos all through till this moment. I really appreciate it. And today is the day where when Born Pretty will be doing free shipping on their website. So I hope you have checked out those items on your cart. So today I'm going to be creating another short set. Like I said, I'm celebrating women, and most men prefer to rock short nails, short to medium nails. So I'm going to create another beautiful short set today. Kindly watch till the end. I might not be able to talk all through the video. I'll just play a song for you from Christine Ini. Kindly enjoy this music from cover song from Christine Ini. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are new tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. So I'm going to be leaving my affiliates website link in the description box, so you can click on that link to go to the Born Pretty website to get whatever you need to buy from the website. You can also use my discount code or the coupon code to get discounts on their website. So my coupon code is Glitterspolish 30. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen and as well as the description box. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.
Wavy. On and on. It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and on. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I might need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking, 'cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby. Everybody used to say, no one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. Love till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need. Gave you all you need. Gave you all, and you give me all you need. Give you all you need. Gave you all, make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all, make I give you all you need, baby. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my, only you feel my, only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby boy. I want you there, but I want you there. Promise to treat your love fair. Whoa. When we touch, how we connect. How we connect. Said this love, have no regret.